Here I have two cases that were sent to me by the brand Crave. These are the Protection Series cases. So I'm going to be showing you exactly what they look like. I got the black one and the navy blue one. So let me go ahead and show you what they look like. So here I have both cases. This is the black one and this is the navy one. As you could see here on the camera side, it does have a lift here. So this is to give your camera protection. So take a look. It is a little lifted. I do like that it has a slim design. A lot of the times, if you want extra protection, a lot of the cases that I've gotten in the past are pretty bulky. So I do like that this one's slim. So this one fits perfectly in my purse. So take a look on both sides. Very, very nice slim design. I'm going to go ahead and show you the inside. This is where your phone's going to go. This is the bottom part. This is where your speakers and your charger goes. And then on the inside, it does have like a rubber material. So it's going to prevent it like from shock absorption. Another great feature that it has is that it is MagSafe, so you are able to charge your phone wirelessly. One of the things that I did notice is that if you're going to charge your phone wirelessly, I would recommend using one of those magnetic charging pads over the one that's holding your phone, because I found it that my phone was not really sticking to it. It was actually on the charging pad. That's the one that worked for me. Although it did charge on the other one, it was just not holding up. So just to let you know, it is MagSafe, so it does work. So I did like that that feature was available for me to charge my phone wirelessly if I choose to, or you could also charge it normal. But other than that, the case itself is actually really nice, good quality, hard shell. If you're looking for a good quality, affordable case, then I would definitely recommend.